Hey everybody, it's Mark with G's Bees, and I started to clean out my smoker, and then I was like, man, this would be a great video, seeing as how I haven't done one in like forever. So it is October 11th, maybe, here in Virginia, but I usually use cedar shavings in my smoker, which I really don't prefer the smell. I use them because that's what I use for my quilt boards, and I have an abundance of them. But as you can see, residue gets built up on it, and the easiest way to get it off is to put your phone between your legs, grab your torch, and just burn it off. This side I've already done, and it will kind of cake up and catch on fire, but then I let it cool. Maybe you can hear a little bit better. You can see it'll catch on fire and it'll burn off, and I can clean it up after it gets cool. So it's kind of important to keep your smoker clean. You know, the biggest thing is, as you can see, maybe you can't see. Let me turn it around. It's like the tube gets clogged up. So whatever you use, take some time, maintain your equipment, because you know when you need your smoker, when you go out to grab it, if it's not ready, then you're gonna go like, wow, I gotta stop what I'm doing. So just a little tip, keep your smoker clean.